So guys, what are we going to do today? Absolutely nothing. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't ask. What did you just say? I didn't say anything. Oh, okay. You're dead. What did you just say? I swear I didn't say anything.
You liar!
Hey, don't call me a liar.
But you are one, and you smell funny too.
Hey, you don't smell any better.
And what's up with your hair? What the?
Hey, you can't say that either. I mean...
Huh? You admitted it. I win.
Hey now, you said it too.
By the way, why are you talking to a stuffed animal?
Good question.
Bella. Oh, look at, hey, let them see you. Bella, hey, look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. Bella, look. Oh, look at, she got a haircut. Hunter, yeah, settle down, okay? Settle down, dog. Oh, okay. Oh, look at Bella. Look at Bella. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute.
Anyways, as you can tell, I haven't really done anything today. And they're fighting. Nice. Despite not doing anything whatsoever, I didn't do anything, but I watched a movie, Saints and Soldiers. It's like a World War II kind of movie, or World War One. I don't know, one of those. Anyways, it was pretty good. I liked it, although I didn't expect that ending. Didn't expect it at all. Yeah. Bella, hey, Bella. So I ended up never posting this video yesterday. So it's going up today. And I'm here. And it was my day off, so I slept in. Actually, I slept a lot in. Slept from, like, I'm gonna say 6 o'clock yesterday when I was supposed to post this, all the way until 11:30 in the morning today. So I slept a lot. Hunter, hey. Oh, hey. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, say hi. Not to me. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. See? Say hi. Oh, you scared. Oh. Come here. Come here. Oh. 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 Oh, look at you. Whoa. He's scared of you guys. You scared him. That is not my cat. Oh, and as I'm ending this video so I can post it finally, I want to say I apologize for my hair, of course, for my beard, that too. And for the video that, I don't even know, the skit that I had in this video, it was just kind of random. Decided after work, I was like, I need to do something random for a video, so I did. That was it. But if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe. I'm going to do some more of these. Who knows if it'll be on this channel or my Fire Pants 20 channel. I don't know. probably the other channel so I can actually start uploading things. But anyways, thanks for watching. Come again. I'll have a video eventually. I don't know when. Stop crying. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. That's really bright. I'll see you guys when I see you. Actually, you'll see me. But if you comment, I'll see you. So yeah, see you then. Bye.